I'm here to do our unboxing for our March Sock of the Month Club. So if you're a member, you've probably received your box by now. If not, it's on the way. And if you're not a member, then you get to see what people are getting to knit. Let's open it up. First thing, there's usually some kind of a joke or a riddle, and today it looks like there's a bit of a riddle. It says, why did the manatee cross the Gulf? And the answer is to get to the other tide. Very cute. Thank you, Jonathan, for that. And then when I open it up, oh, look at that. We have a little water theme or something going on because we have Swedish fish. Yum, yum, we all like Swedish fish. So that's our little treat. Oh, and there's a couple of the Addie Soul stitch markers. These are cute little stitch markers that are in the shape of socks, which is pretty appropriate since it's a sock box. And it looks like there's 6 stitch markers in there. So that's pretty cool. And I'll bet you anything that this is then the yarn, because of course there has to be yarn in there. And let's take a look and see what it is. And it is yarn. And this month's yarn is Vulcan Spiel. So Vulcan Spiel actually means cloud games. And this is a no, it's not 100% merino, but it is a merino nylon blend that comes from Zitrone. And because he uses a merino rather than just any, kind of wool in his sock yarn for this one, it is super, super soft. So you get a 100-gram hank of this, and it does have a little bit of color variation to it. I'm not so sure if you can see that, but there is some light and dark. It's a very, very low-key gradient that you have in there. And let's see what we're gonna make out of it this month. We're going to make Manatee Socks. Look at that. Here we go. We have, oh, I shouldn't really show you the picture. I should actually show you the socks. It looks like this month's sock is more of a man's sock, but I'm sure you could make it for a woman as well. And this is the actual sock. As you can see, it has a little bit of patterning. Oops, I'm gonna fall over. A little patterning on the cuff. And a nice large foot. I put my hand in it so maybe you can see it a little bit better, but it's a very nice pattern. So that is our pattern for the month. It's called Manatee Socks. You've got your Swedish fish in there. You have your little sock stitch markers. Of course, you have your pattern, and of course, there's going to be a code so that you can download that pattern into your library if you wish. And I think that does it. So there you go. That is our March Sock of the Month Club. We're going to have another Sock of the Month Club, of course, for April, May, June, July, and throughout the year. So if you'd like to join, go ahead and subscribe. You just have to go to our website under subscription boxes, and you will find a link there to subscribe. Also, if you're interested in a box, I think there's maybe 2 or 3 boxes left. They would be available online as well. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next month when we do our unboxing for the Sock of the Month Club again. Ciao.